Hi, I'm going to explain the difference between recalled and non-recalled Hang-Tru. This is an older recalled, and this is non-recalled. In the past, his people have said the difference between recalled and non-recalled is ribbed and smooth. That is not actually true. All ribbed are recalled, and all stepped are recalled. And the real way you can tell the difference between recalled and non-recalled is notice that gap thing here. And you get that thing here. That one, it means recalled. That one means not recalled. But the gap has nothing to do with safety. It's just the way to tell the difference between recalled and non-recalled. Notice the smaller gap between screw hole and socket, meaning larger socket. And notice the larger gap between screw hole and socket, meaning smaller socket. And another thing to say, just because a fan is made after 1993 does not automatically mean the fan is not recalled, unless you got a new and unopened box, because the fan could have previously replaced a fan made before 1993 and are just too lazy to replace the Hang-Tru. That's an older recalled, newer recalled, and non-recalled. Now let's see the top of each. Notice almost no difference between those two, and a very obvious difference between those two. The one is thicker, and the two are thinner. And you can see it's stronger. Yeah, it's not 100% safe out clip of those two. But that one, safe with or without clip. You can use the clip just to raise them a little bit. So yeah.